So I'm going to show you how I roll my balloons, and I stole this idea from Ken from Airborne Creations. What he does is he goes to Ikea and gets a roll of, I'm going to pronounce this horrible because I don't speak Swedish, Viera shelf liners. They come in a giant roll. They're about, this is one cut down already. You can see like textured, smooth on the back. They come about twice as wide. So they're about like twice as much as this. And what I do is I just hacksawed the roll in half because it doesn't matter, and just kind of cleaned up the ends. So you cut them down to about 26 centimeters long, and then this way it is about 19 centimeters wide, and it's pretty simple. I have one pre-rolled here. Is you get them all together, okay, you hold them tight, and then tuck them in, and then roll them down till you have this. Some people will focus on the nozzles being down. Some people like the nozzles being up. I'm still a nozzles up. I've never had really a problem. And then what I like about it is if you have a pack, like I keep a bunch underneath my zuca cart, like a ton. I could probably do 2 weekends with what I carry with me all the time. But if you need to add an extra, let's say an extra green, you just grab a spot and you take it and you just shove it down inside, and it stays put. It's pretty nice, pretty simple. I'll put all the details in the show notes, or the description, sorry. There you go.